Here's some help for problems 10 through 12 on 10.2, 45, 45, 90 triangles. So a quick review, 45, 45, 90 triangles are a specific type of right triangle, and they're actually an isosceles right triangle because they have two sides or two legs and two angles that are congruent. So I knew that these problems might trip you guys up a little bit, especially 10 and 12 because there's two triangles, but I want you to just kind of look at the triangles as isolated shapes, or just simply, let's look at this triangle right here, the one that I have circled. So I know that the hypotenuse, which remember the hypotenuse is the side directly across from the right angle, is at 8 root 2. And I know that a hypotenuse is equal to a leg times root 2. So then that means that I know that this number 8, outside here has to be the leg. So I know that each of those legs is 8 of the triangle. Now, if I go and I look at this triangle here, it has the same hypotenuse. Looking at the side directly across from the right angle, it's still marked as that 8 root 2, so I also know that that is 8. Looking at number 11, we're looking for the hypotenuse, and I know that a leg is root 10. So remember, the hypotenuse is equal to, so x equals a leg times root 2. So my leg, x equals root 10 times root 2. So from here, you should be able to figure it out. Remember, we multiply the numbers under the roots, and then you need to simplify. For number 12, again, I have two triangles, but don't let that fool you. Let's look strictly at this triangle here. I know that this is the hypotenuse, 14 root 2, because it's the side directly across from the right angle. So then that means that this number here represents the leg. So I know that this is 14 and this is 14. Now, looking at this side of the triangle, although they aren't marked, we can assume that this over here is 45 and this is also a 90-degree angle. So that means this is a 45-degree angle, which makes this just a 45, 45, 90 triangle. And if I know this leg, that means I also know this leg.